Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for today. I'm going to take you on a journey into the intriguing and often overlooked world of the tissue box. Yes, that humble container that holds those soft, comforting tissues has quite the story to tell, and I'm here to share it with you. In the not-so-distant past, life was considerably different when it came to dealing with the pesky sniffles or a sudden burst of emotion that required a tissue or two. Picture this. It's the late 19th century, and the world is buzzing with innovation and invention. People used handkerchiefs back then, those trusty squares of fabric, to dab at their runny noses or wipe away tears. But there was a problem. Handkerchiefs could get awfully messy, and washing them was, well, not the most glamorous task in the world. Enter our unsung hero, the tissue box. The idea was simple yet ingenious. Why not create a convenient and disposable way to deal with all those snotty situations in life? And so, the journey of the tissue box began. In 1924, a man by the name of John Dickinson, a British paper merchant, patented the world's first ever pop-up tissue box. This was a game changer. You see, before Mr. Dickinson's stroke of genius, tissues were sold in flat, rectangular boxes, much like the packaging for playing cards. But John's innovation was revolutionary because it allowed for one-handed operation. No more fumbling for a tissue when you needed it most. You could just reach for the box, and voila! A tissue would pop up, ready to save the day. But wait, there's more to the story. In the United States, a man named Irvin and a woman named Clara Kleen saw potential in Dickinson's design. In the early 1930s, they established the Kimberly-Clark Corporation, a company that you might recognize today for its popular tissue brand, Kleenex. Irvin and Clara refined and popularized the tissue box concept, making it a household staple. Kleenex tissues soon became synonymous with comfort and convenience. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. During World War II, tissues took on a new role as a tool for morale. Soldiers on the front lines used them to clean weapons, as makeshift toilet paper, and even as camouflage for their faces during night missions. Who would have thought that our trusty tissues could be so versatile? As the decades rolled on, the tissue box design evolved further. Today, you can find tissue boxes in various shapes, sizes, and colors to match any decor or mood. Some are even adorned with adorable designs and inspirational quotes to brighten your day when you need it most. So, there you have it, my dear friends. The fascinating origins of the tissue box, from its humble beginnings to the modern-day marvel it has become. Next time you reach for a tissue, take a moment to appreciate the genius of John Dickinson and the entrepreneurial spirit of Irvin and Clara Kleen. And remember, even the simplest of inventions can make a world of difference in our daily lives. Cheers to the tissue box, our silent hero in times of need.